Everyone, welcome to my channel tonight. Today we're going to go through some amazing facts about the Kikuyu tribe in Kenya. Kikuyu is one of the famous tribe in Kenya. It's based mainly in the central province of Kenya. Kikuyu was founded by a man named Kikuyu. Kikuyu history says that the Kikuyu god, Guy, took Kikuyu to the top of Mount Kenya, told him to stay there and build his home there. He was also given a wife by the name Mombi. Together, Mombi and Kikuyu had 9 daughters. There was actually a 10th daughter, but the Kikuyu considered it to be a bad luck to say the number 10. When counting, they used to say full 9 instead of 10. It was from the 9 daughters that the Kikuyu clans were formed, namely Ashara, Agashiko, Irimo, Amboi, Angare, Anjiro, Angoi, Aidanga, and Aiderando. Kikuyu mothers have since named their daughters until today after the 9 tribes. Traditionally, a Kikuyu husband could marry more than one wife if he could afford to take care for them. Paying a dowry, bride price, is still an important aspect of the Kikuyu culture. In the Kikuyu culture, family identity is carried on by naming the first boy after the father's father and the second after the mother's father. The same goes for the girls. The first is named after the father's mother and the second after the mother's mother. Following children are named after the brothers and sisters of the grandparents, starting with the oldest and working to the young ones. That's all about amazing facts of my Kikuyu tribe. For your information, I am also a Kikuyu. My name is Jerry. That's where I am from. That's my clan. So, thanks for joining me tonight. Thanks for watching me. And I'm looking forward to see you next time. Have a nice night. Bye.